This is Force 13, Australia Oceania Channel, and the tropical low continues to generate massive amount of rainfall, and the Bureau of Meteorology here in Queensland continues to update and expand their warning list. Severe weather warning for damaging winds, heavy rainfall remains in place for the Gulf country, northwestern parts of the peninsula, northern Goldfields, the upper Flinders, the central west and Channel country forecast districts. At 5 a.m, tropical low was located over the Gulf country near Norberton. The low will begin to move to the southwest later today. I'll put a question mark beside that, and should move out of Queensland this evening. Heavy rain may lead to flash flooding likely about the Gulf country, southwestern peninsula, northwest, western northern Goldfields, upper Flinders, the far northern Channel country districts tonight. And their wording has a mistake. 6 hourly rainfall totals of 100 to 200 millimetres possible. Likely heavier falls also possible with thunderstorms. Bureau of Meteorology has a severe thunderstorm warning for the North Tropical Coast, Tableland forecast district. Heavy rain in the Port Douglas area. Severe thunderstorms likely to produce heavy rainfall, leading to flash flooding. Locations which may be affected: Port Douglas, Mosman, the Daintree Village and Gelatin. Severe thunderstorms no longer occurring in the Herbert and Lower Burdekin, and the warning has been cancelled. And back to the severe weather warning. Damaging winds will gust greater than 90 kilometres an hour, likely in the warning area. Locations which could be affected: Burketown, Norberton, Croydon, Koyama, Mount Isa, Cloncurry, Camberwell, Uadangi, Judia Creek, Georgetown, Richmond and Boodia. Since 9 a.m. Tuesday, 126 millimetres is 400 Calliope, 101 millimetres at Holbert's Bridge, 96 millimetres at Norweer, and Cloncurry 92 millimetres. Punch Bowl 84 millimetres. Bureau of Meteorology also has an initial flood watch for coastal and adjacent catchments between Mackay and Innisfail, and the tropical low is generating moist and unstable air through most of central Queensland, which is resulting in shower and thunderstorm activity with likely heavier falls. And the Bureau will update that about 14:30 this afternoon. Bureau of Meteorology also has a strong wind warning for the southeast Gulf of Carpentaria, the northeast Gulf of Carpentaria. They've issued a final flood warning for the Wallam and Mungallala creeks, moderate flood warning for the Paroo, Thomson and Barcoo rivers, Cooper Creek, initial moderate flood warning for the Western River, flood warning for the upper Diamantina, major flood warning for the Flinders River, moderate flood warning for the Norman River, minor flood warning for the Cloncurry, flood warning for the Nicholson, Gregory, Leichhardt, Gilbert rivers. Flood watch has also been issued for the Upper Georgina and Upper Diamantina rivers. Initial minor flood warning for the Moonie River. Also the Upper Herbert, and a minor flood warning for the Belyando River. A severe weather warning is also in place for the Barcoo and Simpson districts for damaging winds and heavy rainfall. Thunderstorms may produce very gusty winds, heavy rainfall to develop over the southeast of the Northern Territory late today. The Bureau says that during this afternoon, damaging winds averaging 60 to 70 kilometres an hour with peak gusts of around 90 kilometres an hour, heavy rainfall and flash flooding with thunderstorms expected to develop in the southeast Barcoo and northeast Simpson districts as the low moves into the southern Barcoo districts. A flood watch is also in place for the Barcoo, Georgina River, the McDonald Ranges, Simpson Desert. Now we'll have a look at the Bureau's latest rainfall information, 12 hourly, 24 hours. Current temperature in the capital cities, 25.7 Sydney, 21 Melbourne, 30.6 Brisbane, 21.1 Perth, 29.5 Adelaide, 22.8 Hobart, 24.1 in Canberra, 27 up in Darwin. Rainfall information, right hand side of the screen. Partly cloudy Sydney, becoming sunny Melbourne, partly cloudy here in Brisbane, cloudy also in Perth, very hot and sunny in Adelaide, partly cloudy Hobart, mostly a sunny, smoke haze again for Canberra, shower or two, possible storm Darwin. We will have later on today more information.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information about Force 13, you can check us out on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force 13. You're probably there already, good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force 13, where we post our updates, and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force 13. And if you want to rock our colors like Nathan Foy here, you can go to our store available at store.force13.com, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of the Patreon. More information about patronage and the privilege you can get from patronage can be found at patreon.com/force13, and you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or to me directly on Discord at TRIN extension 1375, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.